In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to Real Deen, and from today on, I'm going to tell you a tale, a true story of 40,000 years. This story will also be about the birth of earths and skies, and also the beginning of life. Where did the human come from? What has happened in past? What is happening now? And what will happen in the future? Starting from today, one by one I will present this story to you, which starts from the very beginning of everything, and will go the end of everything. And I will present this story from every angle, the angle of religion, the angle of science, from the angle of all that useful knowledge that will help us to understand this true story. To understand this story, our biggest source will be a book in which there are no lies, a person who had never lied. We will talk about those scientific sources that are confirmed and are not just theories or guesswork. Our story will include the archaeology, evidences excavated from the ancient past, through which I will paint a picture of 40,000 years in front of you. We will study the books and tablets written 5,000 years ago, which will help us understand all those eras and periods. And the purpose to tell you this story is to use all the knowledge and reach him who has written this beautiful story. Every chapter of this story will be an attempt to know him whose order will be visible spread through these 40,000 years. And if after listening this true story, you are able to realize his presence, please pray for me, my parents, and my brothers and sisters. Thank you.